As a member of a high-maturity project team, you will have a personal project schedule that you can use to plan and track your work. To view it, choose Open Earned Value Task and Schedule from the Script menu. The schedule for the currently active task will open. This window is divided into two parts. The top half displays the list of tasks in the current project that have been assigned to you. The bottom half shows the time on the calendar when you plan to do the work. The list of tasks is displayed hierarchically. You can expand this hierarchy to view more detail. The columns in the table display information about each task. You can put your mouse over the headers for a brief explanation of each column. Let's review some of the more important columns. The Planned Time column, abbreviated PT, displays the number of hours and minutes that you plan to spend on each task. If a value has a yellow background, you can edit the value to change your estimate of how long the task will take. The Actual Time column shows how much time you have spent on each task so far. This information is pulled from the time log based on your interactions with the play-pause button. If a task has been marked complete, its actual completion date will appear in the Date column. If a cell has a yellow background, you can edit it. For example, to mark a task complete at some date in the past. The Plan, Replan, and Forecast columns display information about when each task might finish. To calculate these dates, the dashboard needs to know which tasks you plan to work on first, second, and so on. To provide this information, click the Flat View checkbox. The hierarchical list of tasks will be replaced by a plain list. Select tasks, then drag them up and down to place them in approximate chronological order. For example, on a team project, you might want to design several components first and defer the peer reviews until later when the items to be reviewed will be ready. Throughout the project, you should return to the flat view at least once a week and readjust the task order so it accurately reflects the tasks you plan to work on for the next 2 to 3 weeks. If you need to add tasks to the list or remove existing tasks, do not use the Add Task or Remove Task buttons. These types of changes should be made in the Work Breakdown Structure editor instead. The next video in this series will explain this in more detail. The bottom half of the window shows the calendar of time that is available for project work. Each row in the table displays a particular week in the project schedule. The Planned Time column displays the amount of time that you plan to spend each week on the tasks that appear in this task list. If you know that you will be out of the office for training or vacation, you should edit the planned time for the appropriate week to reflect the true amount of time you will be available. After changing the order of tasks or altering the planned schedule time, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the bottom right corner of the window. To visualize your progress against the plan, click the Chart button. Many charts are provided to help you analyze your data. This video has highlighted the most important functionality for schedule planning. To learn about editing your list of tasks, continue on to the next video.